what's up? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all enjoying Black History Month and its festivities so far. We are having a blast celebrating hashtag bhmpatterndesigners this year. It's going so well. We're getting a lot of entries. I am dropping in quickly for a very short video just to show you my new styles and seams Carrie purse. Now, I was a tester when this pattern just came out. I made my tester version from an upholstery fabric. It was an animal print low pile fur type fabric. This time I used some velvet scraps from my Christmas dress. Now this is stretch velvet, so it's not 100% perfect. There are a little bit of problem areas where the fabric gives me a little bit of stress, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. I love the color, I love the texture, and I did not have a red purse in my handbag collection. So this is gonna come in handy to pair with a lot of black outfits and the white outfits, neutral outfits on a whole. I didn't even bother to mic up today, so I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, so I am actually having a giveaway. But first of all, let me show you the details just in case you have never heard of this pattern before. So Styles and Seams, the owner is Robin. She's a fairly new pattern designer, so this is the first time we have her on the list for hashtag bhmpatterndesigners challenge. When we announced the challenge, she jumped in and said that she would like to donate some of these patterns. So I think Natita just wrapped up her giveaway over on her channel at So Natural Dane. So I will be starting my giveaway today, and then there will also be one of these patterns in the prize pack at the end. So thank you so much, Robin, for jumping on board to support the challenge. So let me show you what the purse looks like. This is the main feature of the purse, is you have these long straps that you then tie into a knot, and that becomes the handle. Absolutely love this. It's so cute, and it also makes it very easy to hold because your hand just like grips around this little knot. Just giving you a little close-up view of it. My lining is scraps as well. This is 100% cotton scraps. It is black and white polka dot. So this is a really good scrap busting project. It really doesn't use much fabric. Obviously it's tiny. I think this could probably just hold my phone, and that's about it. Maybe a little snack. Now in terms of interfacing, like you guys know, I'm on lockdown, and actually I'm feeling a little bit down right now because our lockdown has just been extended until the 28th of February. I was really hoping that my last week of BHM I'll be able to get proper nice shots in my usual location, but that's not a thing. So yeah, so since I'm locked down, I wasn't able to go out to purchase any of the proper bag making supplies, and the truth is we can't find them here anyway. Like, I have not been able to find anybody who sells fusible fleece. So I kind of just came up with my own thing based on the experience I had during testing, and I'll insert some pictures somewhere on the screen. But what I did was I cut some pieces of felt, again scraps. So I have felt scraps right in here on the main body pieces, as well as the bottom part of the straps that start underneath the bag and come up to this point right here where the handles start. I have felt pieces in there. Obviously I did not take the felt out into the seam allowances, but then what I did do, since the felt is not fusible, and since I have it inside the seam allowances, so I couldn't stitch, I then covered the felt with regular stiff interfacing like you would use for bags and so forth. And that one I took out to the seam allowance. And that does give the bag some structure, so it stands on its own, which I really like. I prefer my bags to be like this. I'm not really a fan of the floppy bags, just personal style. That being said, with the felt in there mixed with the stretch velvets, obviously it was a little bit more difficult to sew, especially the corners. So my corners are not perfect. This side is not as rounded as it should be, but nobody needs to know that, and nobody should be that close anyway. So I actually had a whole outfit planned to go with this bag, which was that half hat front blouse thing from the Q Effects. First of all, thank you to my thank you to my lovely subscriber who purchased the pattern for me. I'm not gonna say her name because I don't know if she wants to be mentioned, but thank you so much. Such a kind soul. She sent the pattern within a few minutes of me posting that video. I was not expecting that. I was expecting somebody to contact me to arrange payments and all this kind of stuff. I just got the pattern in my inbox within a couple minutes of posting the video, and then I got an email from her asking if I got the pattern. So thank you so much, that means the world to me. I managed to get the pattern printed and everything. However, there are no instructions. So that kind of threw me off. I am not an advanced source by any stretch of the imagination. I am still advanced beginner to intermediate, so I have no idea what I'm doing. So I did message DQ Effect on Instagram. The message I got back, y'all can already tell, again, no help with this pattern. I think they said that the pattern was originally designed by a specific designer who then passed it on for them to sell, and the designer did not pass on any instructions. So I have no instructions to deal with, and looking at my pattern pieces and then looking at the photo of the garments, I'm not even sure that it's the exact same top, because I feel like in the pictures of the garment it looks like it's either lined or faced, but I don't have any lining or facing pieces. So yeah, so that is a project for when I have some spare time to try and work out how to put that thing together. Yeah, it also looks like it's gonna need a lot of fitting work. So that is for another time. So I decided I would make the Style So Me Janelle skirt, which is that pencil skirt with that like high slit. Here's the funny thing. When I was looking up the hashtag for the Janelle skirts and this bag as well, just glancing through, this is after I already made my decision, I realized that Crystal from Crystal Souls and Stuff, one of our ambassadors for Pattern Designers, she paired these exact two items together. The Janelle skirt from Style So Me and the Sides and Seams Carrie purse. What? I guess these two were meant to be together. So I've already cut out my Janelle skirt to sew up today. So hopefully I can get those pictures up by, I want to say Wednesday, because I'm going to put the skirt together today, and then hopefully I'll shoot tonight, and then I want to post on Wednesday. So the giveaway, I know you're all waiting for the giveaway. The giveaway is really simple. I just wanted to do a few simple things. Obviously follow me on IG at Island Socialist, and make sure you follow Robin at Styles and Seams on IG as well. I will have both of our links down in the description box below. Then I just want you to comment on this post letting me know that you would like to win the Carrie purse pattern, and that is all. The giveaway will end on Friday. Gosh, I did not even check the date for Friday. I think Friday is the 19th. Please be correct. If I'm not correct, I'm going to put it up on the screen, but I think Friday is the 19th. So it's going to end on Friday the 19th at 11:59 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. Now here's the thing, you can enter twice. So you can enter here, and then you can also head over to my Instagram and enter there as well. That way you'll have 2 entries to win this purse pattern. Also, if you just wanted to check it out just to purchase for yourself to support Robin during this month, I highly recommend this purse pattern. It's really quick and easy to sew, and like I said, great scrap busting project. The only thing I needed was the magnetic snap on the inside, which I already had that at home anyway. And if you don't have that, you can always use a simple hook and eye closure. Matter of fact, you don't even need to close the bag. You do not even need to close the bag. The lining is sewn, slip stitched on the inside. Y'all, the stretch velvet, the magnetic snap is really hard to open, but the lining is slip stitched on the inside. I do not know if you can see that. So it's slip stitch all around, covering the handles and all around to the other side. That is it for today's video. Short and sweet, having a giveaway, go and enter. You could win the Styles in Seams Carrie purse pattern. Matter of fact, before I go, let me grab my other one to show you guys, my tester version. Here are my two together. How cute. So let me show you my tester version. My tester version, like I said, is this low pile fur. And then the inside is purple. Again, these are both scrap fabrics. So both of these purses I made using scraps. Alright guys, I'm heading off to go whip up my Janelle skirt. I can get some lovely photos with the skirt and this purse because I think it's going to be a perfect match. Let me show you the fabric. So in my plans video, I should have shown you a close-up of this fabric, but I didn't, so here it is. This is actually my waistband piece. So of course, when I do make this skirt, I will be doing a full review video of that as well. So that is it for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button on your way out if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and enter the giveaway over there as well. I am out and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!